We code all suffixes with a box. And then, what do we do to accent? We accent the root word. That's right. So, let's go to my coding page. So in cupful and hopeful, I box what? Suffix full, F-U-L. Alright, put my accent on my root word. Now I can go back and code the first part of the word. Alright, the cup, the root word part. So cup, what do I need? Okay, back on the C. What else? Vowel followed by consonant is short. Cupful. Alright, what about for hopeful? O consonant E. Macaron, sneaky E. Alright, with thickness and redness, what is my suffix? Ness, N-E-S-S. I box it. Where do I put my accent? On my root word. Now I can go back and code the word. Alright, code thick. T-H. Alright, I have C-K. So I know my vowel has to be what? Short. Alright, and on red, short vowel. Alright, let's look at our new cards. Alright, we have suffix full. And we have suffix ness. Suffix full and suffix ness. Alright, let's practice. Alright, number 1. Let's spell the word harmful. Harmful. Pollution is harmful to the earth. Harmful. Alright, let's say the sounds we hear. Get ready. R, N, O, harmful. Harmful. Right, harmful, H-A-R-M-F-U-L, harmful. We have the root word harm plus the suffix full. Harmful, full of harm, full of harm. Our number 2, goodness, goodness. My mom will say, "Oh, goodness," when I make a mistake. Goodness. Tell me the sounds you hear in goodness. Get ready. G. D. S. Goodness. All right, goodness. All right, root word good, G-O-O-D, suffix ness, N-E-S-S, goodness, goodness. Number 3, hopeful, hopeful. I am hopeful we can spell this word, hopeful. Tell me the sounds you hear in hopeful. You can't hear them all. There's a vowel consonant E word part in here in this root word. Hopeful. Get ready. Hope. Hopeful. Think about it being a V-C-E word. Think about that. Hopeful. Hopeful. All right, we've got the root word hope, H-O-P-E, then full, F-U-L, hopeful, hopeful. Full of hope. Down at the bottom, you have your words to read to someone, have them check them off, and then you can spell them out loud and have someone check them off. All right, write 2 sentences down below using some of the words in the box to practice writing sentences. All right, for right now, turn it on over to your practice. Worksheet 82, put your name at the top. And let's do our practice today. All right, today we learned suffixes full and ness. Remember, suffixes are coded by boxing them. When you box them, you should be able to look at the rest of the word, and it should be a word all by itself called a root word. It should be able to stand alone. All right, so number 1, what do we see? All right, we see full, so box it. When we box it, do we still have a word? We do. Our accent is on the root word. All right, how do we code? Digraph SH. A consonant E. So macron on the A. Cross out your sneaky E. Now let's sound it out. Get ready. Sh, aim, full, shameful. What word? Shameful. Do we have a picture to match? No. Next word. All right, we have F-U-L, full. All right, do we still have a root word left? Yes, we do, so we are correct. Our accent's on the root word. All right, how do we code it? Digraph SH. And how do we code our vowel? If it's a vowel followed by a consonant, it is short. Now we can sound it out. Wishful. What word? Wishful. Do we have a match? Not yet. Number 3. What do you see? We have nest. Box it. When we box it, do we still have a root word left? Yes, we do. So we can put our accent over the root word. All right, how do we code it? CK is a digraph. Vowel followed by a consonant is short. All right, let's sound it out. Sickness. What word? Sickness. Do we have a matching picture for sickness? No. Number 4. Suffix ness. Now when we cover it up, do we still have a root word? Yes, we do. So accent's on the root word. All right, how do we code it? Combination AR. Sound it out. Darkness. Darkness. What word? Darkness. Darkness. Still no match. All right, next one. Do we have a suffix? Do we have final stable syllables? No. Do we have any digraphs, diphthongs, vowel? 2 vowels. If we have 2 vowels, what do we have? 2 syllables. All right, mark your vowels. All right, now after we mark our vowels, what do we do? Look for the consonants. How many consonants are between these vowels? 1, just that L. So this is a VCV pattern. All right, if it's vowel, consonant, vowel, we divide after the first vowel. Accents on the first syllable. All right, so look at it. You have a U that is open and it's accented. What do we do to that vowel? He's going to say his name. He's long. On this side, the vowel is followed by a consonant, so it is short. All right, so let's sound it out. U, tu, lip, lip. Tulip, tulip. What word? Tulip. What is a tulip? It's a flower. Do we have a match? We do have a match. We have a tulip and the word tulip. All right. The next one. All right, what do we have, guys? I see trigraph TCH. All right, if we have TCH, I don't have to think anymore. This vowel is what, boys and girls? It's short. That's right. That's the rule. Sound it out. Switch. Switch. This is a picture of what? A light switch. All right. I'm going to read. Remember, when you get on the back side, if you can't read it, what do? Code the words and sound them out. Don't ask right away for help. I want you to try yourself to decode and sound it out for yourself, okay? Mitch told Jim, his little boy, to pick up his toys after dinner. Jim forgot and went to bed without picking up any toys. At 12 o'clock, Mitch got up to check on a noise that woke him. In the darkness, Mitch slipped on Jim's toys and fell on the couch. Uh-oh. When did Mitch get up? Your choices are 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Underline where you found your answer and bubble it in. When did Mitch get up? At 12 o'clock, Mitch got up to check on a noise that woke him. 12 o'clock. Why did Mitch slip? Underline it and write it. Why did Mitch slip? All right, it says, in the darkness, Mitch slipped on Jim's toys. So I'm going to say, he slipped on Jim's, an apostrophe S because they belong to Jim. He slipped on Jim's toys in the dark. Okay, you can write it any way you would like to. That's my sentence, my thoughts. You write it in your thoughts. The next question is inferring. It's wanting you to think about what the passage tells you and then think about what you already know to answer the question. up our toys so people don't slip? Yes or no? Alright, so we know Mitch got up in the middle of the night, slipped on the toys, and fell on the couch. Do you think it's important to pick up your toys so people don't slip? Yes, it is, because people could really get hurt. Alright, so we had to use our own thoughts some and infer what the passage told us. Use some of our own knowledge a little bit. On the back, you're going to code the words. Read them to someone, 1 through 6. Match the pictures to the words. And then you'll read the passage about Mom's friend and answer the questions. All right, remember, if you don't know the words, code them. All right, in a separate video, you're going to have Let's Keep Our Park Open. All right, it will have the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, the long vowel sound when it's divided, like tulip. It will also have suffix full and suffix nest in this book. All right, if you're looking for this book, it is in the blue folder. It's in the blue folder where Miss Spires is sitting on top of the mushroom reading. It's still in that one. You'll find it there. And if you don't have yours yet, make sure you come and pick your new packet up. But this one is still in the old one. Okay? I'll have one attached just in case you don't have it, but make sure you read this as well because this is part of your lesson. So you'll finish your worksheet 82. If you want me to check it, take a picture and upload it, and I'll check your work for you. And then we'll do Decodable 15. Don't forget to study your spelling words. If you have any questions, please let me know.